We've just gone over some variation in the pronunciation of voiced and voiceless stops across phonological environments and across varieties of English. Now we're going to do the same thing with la. It varies across contexts in what we might call mainstream American English, and it also varies across varieties. So in mainstream American English, there are two allophones of la. There's what gets called the light la or L and dark L. Actually, people usually just say light L and dark L instead of la, but I'll try to say la. The clearest difference is between the pronunciation in word initial position and word final position. So if you have words like Larry, light, lip, and lop versus pull, pill, cool, and fell. Dark L is more accurately described as velarized, raising of the back of the tongue. And so when you say the words pull, pill, cool, fell, you should be able to sense that the back of your tongue is raising more than in a word like Larry. And we'll look in a little while at some ultrasounds that show this. But to hear the difference, one way to do it is to do a little experiment in prot that I'll just do right now. So this is the leftover from the last lecture. Might as well get cleaned up, remove all this stuff. Okay, so we're going to do a recording. I'm just going to record lull. Lull. That should be good enough for our purposes. And then what I'm going to do is modify it to reverse. So now play. Lull. And then back to the regular one. This is fun. Lull. And the reverse. Lull. Right, so you should be able to hear that when I reverse it, the two las sound out of place. I've got the word final or coda L in the initial position and the onset or word initial L in coda position. If you're curious about the distribution of L and want to know more about the phonetics, there's a recent corpus-based study of the realization of la that has a good overview of previous literature, and it fits with the way I've just described it quickly here. You'll have a couple exercises to do on cross-dialectal variation on la allophony, and these are all listed here. And then I'll also take a quick look now myself for you at the Seeing Speech website, but I'll also ask you to take a little bit longer of a look at this website. So here's the nice ultrasound videos of la and ol from the Seeing Speech website. And this one shows a few different varieties, and we'll just see them from the words feel and real. So this is la in coda position, which in mainstream American English should have the dark velarized variety. These are all varieties from the UK.
Real. Real. Feel. Feel.
So that's a nicely velarized one. That's
Real.
and there's a vocalized one. So we had a clear one, a velarized one, and a vocalized one. These match things that you're going to be doing in your exercises. And I hope you enjoy looking and listening to different kinds of las.